Hello again everyone. So I just received this on the mail, the KBear Rosefinch, and I believe that's how you pronounce it. So today let's do a quick unboxing and first listening impressions. Let's go right ahead, and there it goes. It looks like this is a very, let's say, budget experience on packaging. The specifications, again, very basic IEM. Here we go. Okay. And this immediately reminds me of the Lark. Yeah, I think this is going to be kind of like a Lark replacement, even though there was already a written version of the Lark. But anyways, you get ear tips, pretty standard, and a little booklet with information about your warranty and all that. And let's see the cable. Wait a second. Oh no, okay, let me just set something straight. Of course, I'm very thankful to Keep Hi-Fi and KBear and all of them for sending me units for review, but that doesn't mean that I'm going to be, a sellout. So yeah, this cable, it is extremely similar to the Ormosia cable, and if you don't know, this is a much expensive IEM. And let me see. Yeah, the field is about the same. The weaving on the Ormosia is less, so I believe this would be a 4-core cable, but this is a 6-core cable. But yeah, you can see there that they are very, very similar. And again, keep in mind, the Ormosia is a much expensive IEM than the Rosefinch. So yeah, I believe that, this is more than anything a personal opinion, but yeah, I think that with the Ormosia we should have gotten a much nicer cable for the price that we are paying. But yeah, anyhow, just interesting that the cables in quality and feel are kind of similar and the prices are not similar. So anyhow, pretty standard Type 5 cable, the Rosefinch, which I kind of like the design. Again, transparent and with a little bit of a patterning here. Let's see. Yeah, kind of brush aluminum kind of look. You can see here a little bit of brown coloring. Again, kind of nice. Let's take off this. Yeah, single dynamic driver. Nothing super fancy, but I guess it gets the job done. And that's it. Not hybrid, not tri-hybrid, nothing super fancy. Just a pure dynamic driver. And let's see how it sounds. So again, let me give it the first listening impressions and I'll come back with you. Alright, so first impressions about the Rosefinch. They sound okay. Nothing really stands out about them. Again, on my first listening, it was like 3 or 4 songs, I believe. And yeah, bass is obviously your normal V-shape kind of bass. It is elevated, especially on the sub bass. Mids are a little bit recessed. Sounds like, again, recessed. Vocals lack a little bit of clarity. They feel a little bit too much on the back for me. And the treble, again, seems a little bit spicy. It depends from song to song, but in my brief listening session, treble tended to be a little bit sharp. Again, that might change. These are only my first listening impressions, and it's okay. It might sound like I'm bashing this IEM, but not really. For the price, it's a decent sound, but it is not a very original sound. It's not something that you might have really listened to. So yeah, if you're planning on this, then yeah, just keep in mind that this is going to sound almost, let's say, copy-paste from other IEMs like this. But yeah, that would be pretty much it from this unboxing and first impression videos. If you like this kind of video, please let me know in the comments down below with a comment and with a thumbs up. And yeah, just stay tuned for the review of the KBear Rosefinch. And again, thank you to Keep Hi-Fi for sending this unit for review, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.